What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to download Quotex app on iPhone. So, you're wondering how to install the Quotex app here in the iPhone. Well, the great thing about the Quotex app is you can actually install this via the App Store. So first is first, you want to open up the App Store here and you want to search for Quotex. So go ahead and use the search bar at the very top here. And from then on, you should see Quotex Bright Text. So you want to go and just click on the Get button there. And once you press on Get, you just need to agree to a few things, and in this case, provide some permissions. So in this case, you can use your Face ID, or you can just tap at the right side of your phone here to agree to the installation. But once the installation is complete, you should be able to start using the actual app. But obviously, you may need to log in or create your account in order for you to fully use the platform or the app itself. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.